Hi there, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be looking at code editors, what they are and why we need them, and how we can go ahead to use them. So code editors are literally softwares that can help us to write code. So with code editors, we can write PHP code, we can write HTML, we can write CSS, and we can write JavaScript and all the other coding languages out there. So code editors help us to write code, and though we are not going to be writing code in this particular course, we will need code editors because when we are installing WordPress, we actually need to point our WordPress websites to the database. So we are going to use that to actually do a little bit of configuration for our WordPress to work well. So do not worry, don't feel overwhelmed that you may need to write code. For now, we are not writing any code, and so we're just going to look at the different types of code editors that are out there. There are a lot of options depending on which operating system you're using. For Windows and Mac users as well, there's still a lot of options that you can choose from. The very first one that we had seen was Sublime Text. Sublime Text is one of the code editors out there. It's very popular as well. And there is another one called TextEdit. TextEdit is for people who are on a Mac. They can use TextEdit as well. It comes with the Mac free. And then we have what we call brackets. We have brackets. Brackets is another code editor. And then we have what we call Notepad plus, Notepad. This is another code editor. And then we have another one, I think Microsoft Visual Code, like that. So this is another code editor. So I think some of us may be familiar with this, but if you're not familiar with any of these, we are going to be using any of them. Either I think we are going to be using the Sublime Text in this lesson, but you can use any of them. I'm just pointing now so you know the options that are available, so in case you are not able to download and install a particular software, you can be able to go ahead and install the alternative. The process is going to be the same for all of them. We just need to have one of them installed on our PC, and it will be enough to carry us ahead with what we need to do. So with that said, we are going to be looking at the very next section, which is installing WordPress. And I hope that you're excited because things are about to get really fun for us. And I'll see you all in the next section. If you have any issues as well, make sure that you continue to indicate in the comment section, and I'll address them in the frequently asked section of the course. So I'll see you all in the next video, and then we are going to install WordPress together. Thank you.